Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my Making a Discord Bot in Python YouTube series. In this video, we will be going over events and how to write our very own event handlers for these events. So first things first, what is an event handler? Well, an event handler essentially just waits for a specified event to occur, and when it does, it just runs some code. And there's a bunch of different events that you can kind of listen for and wait for with Hikari. So with that in mind, we'll just go straight into writing the code and you can kind of see how it works. Okay, so to create an event handler, what you need to do is essentially just create a function. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So first things first, we need to create a decorator for our function. And the decorator we use is actually just @bot.listen with the parentheses at the end. And within these parentheses here, we actually specify the event that we want to listen for. So in this case, we are going to listen for the Hikari guild message create event. There it is. We don't need these parentheses here. We just need Hikari.guild message create event within the parentheses there. That's it. So this is the decorator that we are going to apply to our function. So now we can create our function header. So the way we do that is we say async def and then the name of our function. In this case, it's going to be a very basic event handler. So I'm just going to give it a very generic name. We're just going to probably print out the message. So I can just say, I don't know, print message, something like that. And every event handler also has to take in the event object itself, or it's going to be passed in the event object. So we just say event, and that will be the event object. So great, that's our function header. Now within our event or within our function, we can do whatever we want. And this is the code that is going to be run whenever the event is triggered. So in this case, it's going to be just very basic. We are going to print out the event, we are going to print out the message that was created or that was sent in the server, and it'll just appear in our command prompt. The way we do this is we just say print event.content. And we are pulling the content from we are pulling the message content from the event that, hey, a message was sent within a guild, right? If you are curious as to the various attributes and methods that you can use from the various event objects, you can look through the Hikari documentation, again, linked down below. And this is basically it for our very first event. Okay, great. So now we've created our event handler. So now let's test it out. So first, I gotta save my file, of course, and then let's pull up our command prompt. Again, make sure if you are using a virtual environment that you have it activated. And same as last time, we are just going to run the bot, python bot.py. So it looks to have started successfully. I'm just gonna pull Discord over from here. As we can see, our bot is online. Let me resize this a little bit so you can see, there we go. Okay, well, whatever, we'll manage. So if I type a message like hi, as we can see here, we are printing out the message in our command prompt. And how is this working? We are simply just saying when a guild message has been created, which is exactly what we did, print the content of the message associated with that event. And that's basically it. So if we wanted to perhaps create something new, like another event, we could just do like a bot started event. So this is another event that can be triggered. So let's just create our decorator, Hikari, and then I think it's just started event. Yeah, we don't need these parentheses here. They just need to be within the decorator's parentheses there. This event just triggers when your bot has been started. Like as you can see here, Hikari bot started successfully. This is pretty much like the default. It'll be something like that. So again, we specify our event header and we just say async def, bot started. Is that good enough? I don't know. Passing the event. And we're actually not going to use the event for this example, since we're kind of just going through it quick, just showing you how to create another event if you wanted to. Another event. We'll just say print bot has started, ! I don't know. So save the file. We are going to restart here and run the bot after we have saved and done all of our changes. So let's run this. As we can see, bot has started. So when the bot has successfully started, that event triggers, and we should be able to go back here, type a message still. Great. This is new. I just did that because I typed title last time. But as you can see, we've created 2 events successfully. Pretty straightforward, not too complicated, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Events are not too tricky, so hopefully you guys don't have too many issues with that. But if you do, I will leave a link to the Hikari help server down below, as well as my personal help server. You can go to either if you need some help. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Comment specifically what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. I'm always open to new ideas. Unless they suck, then just don't comment them. I'm kidding. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess. I don't know. That's, I guess, whatever. I'm rambling. All right, bye. Thanks, bye.